Do you want to play a trick on your friends that they'll remember for a long time? Ta-da! It's magical, isn't it? But wait, there's more! You're a little hungry? Try chocolate cereal and milk. It's delicious! Aw, you already ran out? You left almost nothing for your friend? Well, there's a great idea for a prank. Cat food! Do you catch my drift? Time for a switch! Mwahaha! Let's do this! Put the cat food in the cereal box. Leave it in the kitchen with the milk. You can even arrange the bowl and the spoon. Oh, what great service! Without suspecting anything, the friend pours cat food into the bowl. She pours on the milk. Ugh! What is that? Why is my breakfast smelling so weird? It's cat food! Yeah, my friends have a great sense of humor. Ew! How do I get rid of the bad taste in my mouth? Deodorant always runs out at the worst possible moment. But you can also use stick deodorant. What if? Ready, set, prank! Take the deodorant out of the container and replace it with melted cheese. Now it can find its own victim. Here comes my friend. The look of the deodorant doesn't bother her, and she just applies it right away. What's all this? It's lumpy, and the smell is weird. It's melted cheese! What a disaster! But prank revenge is coming soon. We'll need some foil. Lots of foil! After all, the point of the prank is to cover your friend's whole bedroom in the stuff. Her furniture, her paintings, her things. Clothes, everything! Even in the bed! So what? It turned out pretty cool! And all one color! It's so sparkly that my eyes hurt! What's with this crazy high tech? What a nightmare! I don't think I called a designer to redo my room! Did the Silver Surfer do this? Oh, at least you found your favorite toy under the layer of foil! It's crazy how much time and energy we spent on this prank! Sometimes an idea for a good prank comes suddenly. Do you have any powder paints? Yeah, leftover from a festival I went to. I think your friend will enjoy this one. You are going to need an umbrella. Put some paint in it. Close it. I can't wait to see her reaction. Here's our friend going for a walk. Take an umbrella. It's going to rain. Oh, how nice of you! The girl opens the umbrella. Ta-da! So that's why they wanted me to take it. Oh, those pranksters! They have a craving for pranks in their blood. Food runs out so fast when you're watching a good movie. I'll go get a refill. That's so inconsiderate of you. I mean, your friend's clearly cooking something big. Plastic ties? That's serious. Tie up her phone so that the screen is covered. She'll have to work hard to get her gadget out of this plastic cage. Hey, how could you do that? I didn't even finish the movie. How did you even come up with that? You don't think the office is the best place for a prank? You're wrong. For example, this girl is a great target. She decided to eat sausages. So selfish. Just think about it. She took a lunch break while her hungry coworkers are solving serious work issues. Wow, lucky girl! The boss wants to talk to her. And while she's out of the office, her coworkers will act out their evil plan. Tie the sausages to a fishing line and hang it from the ceiling. Secure it with masking tape. Wow, a real sausage mobile! Quiet, here she comes. Where's my lunch? There it is, hovering beautifully in the air. I think I know who did this. Join in, colleagues. The office prank is a great way to test for a sense of humor. We just wanted to prank, but now we also got to eat. Are your friends having a noisy party? Let's party hard! In fact, let's make this party a little more risky. Tape up a picture of a police officer. Attach it to the peephole. Okay, that's it. All you have to do now is knock on the door. Who is that? The police? Did the neighbors complain about the noise? It's scary, but we'll have to open it. Ta-da! Surprise! Wow, that's quite the prank. All right, come on in, you comedian. One more sip, and I'll go to bed. I'm too lazy to carry the cup to the garbage bin. I'll put it by the bed and throw it away in the morning. Good night. Did you fall asleep? Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like someone is annoyed by your habit of leaving drinks on the floor. Is there any way that a prank with glasses can make things right? What if you surrounded her bed with paper cups on all sides? There are so many. Wow, what are they doing? Making a design? Now the whole floor is covered in cups. You just need to pour the drinks, or at least water. Good morning. What's that? No, I don't think I drank that much. Getting out of the room is a real challenge. That's it. No more cups by the bed. Pranks at a grocery store are a lot of fun too, but the prank victim doesn't know yet. So shh, she goes shopping. Oh, socks, just what I need. Cleaning wipes, great! I shouldn't forget baby food. And milk. The cart is slowly filling up. But once she's distracted, her evil friends appear behind her. And they are replacing her cart. That's weird. A whole cart of toilet paper? Is that some kind of hint? Where are my groceries? You parked your car and went home with no worries? Think again. This is where the fun begins. A prank from your favorite friends. They have got saran wrap. This is serious. The girls wrap the car so it's impossible to open the doors. They should work at the airport wrapping suitcases. They are really good at it. That's it. The car's a saran wrap prisoner. The girls can't wait to see her reaction. And here comes the victim of the prank. What the? So you did this? Wow, you guys are so weird. Although, that's why I love you. Reading a book in bed? Who doesn't love it? But look out! A friend decided to ruin your loneliness. Don't you want to hang out with this cute spider instead? She is so caught up in her reading that she doesn't notice anything yet. And she's got a toy spider running to her. Oh, it's on the back of the bed. Who's there? Ah! A spider! An arachnophobe's worst nightmare. Oh, don't be so scared. It's not real. Of course it's a toy. Touch it if you don't believe me. It's true. You are such a prankster. I came in with my heavy bag. Phew, I'm so tired. My hands can't hold anything, and the paper is also unwrapping. Ha! That's an excuse to prank a friend. Let's get some paper glue and cover the end of the roll with it. Glue the roll in a few places. Now you can't unroll it easily. Place the roll in the bathroom and wait. Here's the client for our solid roll. Oh, wow! What is this? The roll is all torn up. It's a bunch of bits and pieces. Wait, I think I see traces of glue. Oh, watch out! I'll get my revenge! The friends are about to leave the house. It's a good idea to ask them to bring the trash with them. Oh, I'm so lazy. Okay, let's do it. And come back for one more bag. I'm going to pick it up now. Really? There's no more trash? And I'll be waiting for you in the bag. Here come my friends. Wow, what a big bag! It's so heavy! I can't lift it! It weighs as much as a whole piano! Well, that was mean! Surprise! That's a relief! You have no idea how happy we are to see you! A pillow fight is a great thing! Fun, and that's what counts! Oh, a toy chicken! So cute! And it's so funny when it screams! Wait, what if you put it in a pillow and add a couple more chicken friends? That's a great screaming pillow! Here comes our friend. Oh, poor thing. She looks so tired. Yes, we're leaving. Finally, my favorite pillow. Oh, what's that noise? Where is it coming from? Oh, that's what's up. Well, that's enough. Come here, my little chickies. A funny prank won't hurt a friendship. We know for sure. Which one of these pranks did you want to try out? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to make sure you don't miss any prank ideas from Troom Select.